Yeah, welcome to the classes once again. So we are covering amendment in Finance Act 2019. Today's topic is investment fund. Scenario is losses of investment fund. First of all, what is investment fund? Investment fund is a scenario where a group of investors come together, pool funds, and finance that in startups, new startups introduced by Arun Jaitley in Finance Act 2015. But our Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman made an amendment to Investment in Finance Act 2019 in respect to losses of investment fund. Losses of investment fund. Pehle use your logic. Investment fund concept is PGBP income is taxable for the investment fund. Any other income is exempt for investment fund. Vice versa. PGBP income is exempt for unit holders. Any other income is taxable for unit holders. Now the amendment clarifies who can carry forward the losses. Like in a partnership firm has losses. Who can carry forward? Partnership firm or partners? Definitely the partnership firm can carry forward the losses. Here we'll learn who can carry forward the losses, whether the investment fund or the unit holders. Sita Raman clarified. We have to cover in amendment in Finance Act to the. Do not copy, let me cover, then I will give you time. Scenario: who can carry forward the losses? Particulars. Clear? Particulars में number 1, current year losses. क्या कहते? Current year losses, that too from financial year 1920 or assessment year 2021. We will start from financial year 1920 or assessment year 20. Under that, what if they have PGBP loss? What if they have? Question is, who can? Investment fund can carry forward. You have to remember this, very important. If they get any other loss, if they get any other loss, it can be capital gain, other sources. One more rule: investment fund cannot have salary and they cannot invest in house properties. The question of house property also does not arise. If it is any other loss, we check the scenario. Scenario में कुछ भी नहीं आता यहाँ. Clear? We check the scenario. अच्छा. Scenario says, if you copy till here first, I don't have place, I'll dictate. यहाँ तक कॉपी करो पहले. सिनेरियो में ए लिखेंगे, बी लिखेंगे, एनी अदर लॉस. दिस इज 1, दिस इज 2. हाँ, ऐसा लिखो बेटर. I don't have places, so better I'll dictate. लिख लो पहले. Start. Now write under point A. Scenario में point A. We under any other loss under point A. If the units are held by unit holders, if the units are held by unit holders for greater than or equal to 12 months, if the units are held by unit holders for greater than or equal to 12 months, as on the last day on which loss was incurred, as on the last day on which the loss was incurred. अब यहाँ देखो, give an arrow mark like this and write question क्या है, who can, unit holders. ठीक है. Scenario number B. सुनो, copy paste scenario A, the sign will change. And now you write investment fund. Sign will change. Done? Now write. This was point 1 under particulars. Let's continue. Under particulars point 2. Brought forward losses. Brought forward losses up to assessment year 1920. Write like this. उसमें फर्स्ट वन PGBP लॉस, सिनेरियो कुछ भी नहीं है, इन्वेस्टमेंट फंड, एनी अदर लॉस, यूनिट होल्डर, सिनेरियो कुछ भी नहीं है. If they held units as on 31st March 19. Important amendment है सर ये, please. They are clarifying who can carry forward the losses. Am I clear? Now, be careful. Be careful. This is RTP problem. I'll do one more problem, but पहले RTP का देख लेंगे. MCQ. We'll do one more problem, I said. This is RTP May 2020 MCQ. Listen. ठीक है, 7th MCQ. Listen. An investment fund for assessment year 2021 comprises the following income: business income Stop. Who will pay the tax on 5 crores? Investment fund will pay, because this is PGBP income. Investment fund will pay tax on 5 crores. Capital loss of 3 crores. Question is, who can carry forward? Stop. This is current year losses situation. Any other loss? If the unit holders are holding the units for more than 12 months, unit holders can carry forward. Less than 12 months, investment fund can carry forward. Continue. All the unit holders have held units in fund for more than 12 months. So we are falling under scenario A or scenario B. We are falling under scenario A. Who can carry forward? Unit holders. Now next point. Who is supposed to pay tax on 5 crores? Investment fund. Who can carry forward this 3 crore loss? Unit holders. Read the 4 options and answer yourself which should be the correct option. According to me, it should be option D. The business income of 5 crores is taxable in the hands of investment fund. Capital loss of 3 crores can be carried forward only by unit holders. It is under scenario current year loss, may any other loss. Under that scenario A, units are held for more than 12 months, unit holders can carry forward the losses. Amendment आया. Based on amendment, MCQ also is ready. It means we are expecting this in November 2020 examination. Only if you have depth knowledge, you can answer all these nonsense MCQs. This will be asked for 2 marks like this. If you have no knowledge, absolutely confusing the options are. But if you have strong knowledge on the concept, he will confuse you. You should not get confused. Before reading the options, answer yourself. Then it becomes easy. If you try to find out the answer after reading the MCQ, you will fall in the trap of ICAI, which I don't want. ठीक है, चल. Shall we do one more example? Right, example 1. Listen now. Example. सुनते जाओ. ठीक है. Investment fund income is, it's a business loss of 100, capital gain loss of 300, income from other sources 500. Am I clear? Yes or no? Yes. Up so no. Solution. Investment fund. First of all, solution. Can I set off business loss with other sources? Huh? Can I set off business loss with other sources income? As per IPC syllabus, yes. Capital gain loss with other sources, no. Because capital gain can be set off in the same head of income. Short term with short term or long term. Long term loss only with long term. So can I say business loss can be set off against IFOS. So what is net IFOS? 500 minus 100 is equals to 400. Am I clear? I am assuming there are 10 equal unit holders. 10, out of which 8 are holding the units for more than 12 months, 2 are holding the units for less than 12 months. 8 are holding for more than 12 months, 2 are holding for less than 12 months. Listen. What is income of investment fund? It will be 0 because business income is negative and we have set off with other sources. 0. Clear? Next. Unit holders. What is IFOS income? IFOS 400. IFOS for each unit holder. $40. Yes or no? Next. Capital gain. 300. Loss. Now the question is, who can carry forward? Sir, why can't I set off 300 with 400? Capital gain losses can be set off only with capital gain income. Now, who can carry forward? 8 unit holders who are holding for more than, they can carry forward. They can carry forward. This is for how many unit holders? Loss 10. 8 ke liye it becomes 240. Unit holders can carry forward 30 each. क्या? Each unit holder can carry forward 30 loss. 30 no. Balancing figure कितना? 60. Investment fund can carry forward because 2 unit holders are holding for less than 12 months. In that case, who can carry forward? Investment fund. This is the rule. So next year, unit holders can carry forward 30 each. 8 unit holders, U1, U2, U3, U4, U5, U6, U7, U8, U9, U10, they cannot carry forward. Investment fund can carry forward this 60 rupees. This is another interpretation of the amendment. कॉपी कर लो. ऐसा समझ में आ गया तो बस है सर, वो ज़्यादा नाटक करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Yeah. So thank you so much, sir. This completes the amendment of investment fund, which is very important for November 2020, May 2021, and November 2021 examination. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.